we're going to give away some prizes from FMF. Right now, I would like to invite to the stage
More importantly, let's continue the conversations we've had every year, bringing forward to the new year. Let's keep talking about our health.
Today is World Cancer Day, 4th of February every year. And we're very excited that the Fiji Cancer Society has brought it to Suva so that we could have this walk to commemorate it. And I'm very happy to be here as the Minister for Women and Children, and especially for our women and children who are dealing with cancer and living with it every day. It was really good to just come out and to see hundreds of people here today, to be supportive of it, of all walks and all ages. And it's really good to see more of a youth population that are here interested in doing this, because it's the youth who will then become the adults that will continue this fight. The ministry is fully supportive of this. This is something we should just not only commemorate in a month. Pinktober is usually the month where we raise awareness of women living with breast cancer. But I'd like to see this ongoing every month. We had started our cervical cancer screening on the January the 30th, because January was the cervical cancer month. So we did that in Nosori. We had hundreds of women turn up to be screened, and in fact from that some were actually diagnosed abnormal, which means they need further help. So it's something we want to take out to all the communities. One of our programs in the ministry is called the REACH project, and they are actually going out to Lomaiviti this week. They're in Ngau and Batiki and Koro, and REACH is basically rights and empowerment advocacy. So we're very excited to keep that program in the ministry so that we can take out these services, including helping our people, to be aware and also to get screened in case they are living with cancer. First, I want to thank the Fiji Cancer Society for putting this together. It shouldn't be something that we just come to at an event like this. If we can take out this awareness to every single home in the entire country, I think we can save more lives. And that's what we're about. We need to save the lives of our Fijians. And so I just want to tell all our people who are at home, those who are living with cancer and dealing with it daily, walk on, walk strong, and stay strong. And we are here for you. You need any assistance. We also have our people who are living with cancer that get assistance from the ministry in our social protection programs. And we hope to continue that and to increase that. But at the end of the day, it's you who is dealing with this fight alone, but you are not alone. We are all here for you. Naka. Thank you.